lean in to ourselves and meet all of nature right there. And the herd of light is preparing the space here, you see. Deeply, deeply in a coherent breathing heart rate, brainwave rhythm. Yoshi. Oh, Yoshi, you're in Taz's position, hiding. Travis, whose secret name is not so secret. Azim. Oh, I love hearing your sniffle. And Teddy, whose secret name is Barak, which means blessings of grace. Khalil, whose name means friend of friends. And Tasneem, Taz, whose name means rich and elevated. And she sure is tall. And we call in Omar, this unseen bodhisattva being who took a form for a very short while with us here, 3 years in our herd, and imprinted us forever, and is still here like a pole star. So calling in now your most intimate intimates, those pole stars, just silently on your heart. Feel them here. They may still be in their beautiful nature forms, as animal beings, as flower beings, as plants and trees, as human universe form, or they may have dissolved their form. But the beauty of nature is they are still humming their essence right here and now. So we bathe in this, it's a co-created confluence of rivers, of essence, all into one heart sea now with all of nature. Let's call in Mother Gaia, her unconditional love for all of her children. Let's call in our human family, who may be the species most in need. Let's call in all of the elements, including the subtle element of ether, where you can feel all elements dancing in unity. Let's call in space itself, the sentience of space. Galaxies and stars and heavenly bodies we don't even know the name of. The moon, the sun. Let's lean in to this harmony. Feel it humming through and through. And just take a breath. Feel yourself here, present, so present. In the simplicity of here. Feeling your part in the inter-beingness of the whole. And just breathe with gratitude, this rarefied air. As we explore nature's consciousness, which is our very own natural, true nature. And we remember healing. What is healing? How do we heal? How do we bring healing to every part of the whole within? So we're just going to touch the tip of the luminous iceberg, if you will. And the song did begin to come through, but it is not formed. And so we'll see what happens, and it will, I'm sure, give birth to itself over this whole month with you all. So, transmissions from the heart of nature consciousness on healing. To explore healing, let us intimately invite in cat beings, the feline collective, or even a particular cat being that you know and love. So let's dive into cat consciousness now. It's not separate from ourself. You must feel your essence fire burning again. Purring your way back to your essence. Hum. Purring your way back to your essence. Hum. Reclaiming your natural state of harmony. Purr. Purr into the pain. Purr into peace. Purr from within. Purr into fear. Purr into judgment as it leers. Purr back to ease as you purr into dis-ease. Purr into pain again and again, and find what remains. An inner purr, so powerful. It purred you into existence. An inner purr, so eternal. It continues even when your form has dissolved. You must feel your essence fire burning again. Here and now. Feel your essence fire burning. Rekindled and burning. Purring your way back to your essence hum. Reclaiming your natural state of harmony. Purr into the pain. Purr into the peace. Purr into the fears. Purr into judgment as it leers. Purr into pain again and again, and find what remains. An inner purr, so powerful. It purred you into existence. An inner purr, so eternal. It continues, even when your form has dissolved. So we pause, listening, feeling deep within the caverns of your being. This hum, this purr, reverberating. This is healing. And healing is needed when rhythms and the frequencies of melodies have fallen out of coherence patterns with your essence hum. Healing is needed when rhythms and the frequency of melodies have fallen out of coherence patterns with your essence hum, your essence purr. When harmony is calling out to be restored, purr your essence hum, rumbling silently from within, purring through your whole being, re-entraining the harmony of your natural rhythm. This purr, this hum re-entrains everything back to its natural rhythm. Resurrecting frequency notes throughout your being, all in harmony with your essence song. Healing is needed when rhythms and frequencies of melodies have fallen out of coherence patterns. When harmony is calling out to be restored. Purr your essence hum, rumbling, silently rumbling from within. Re-entraining the harmony of your natural rhythm, resurrecting frequency notes throughout your being, all in harmony with your essence song. Uncovering your essence inner hum again, the song that sang you here. Humming in complete harmony with all of nature. Unveiling and uncovering this inner hum again. The song that sang you here. Humming in complete harmony with all of nature. And allow the attention to become soft. Like when you listen to music, it's not a piercing attention of the mind. It's almost peripheral. It's a soft, open, yet deeply intentional attention. And in the depths of silence, listening. Listening. Hearing the hum of every nature being in harmony with your true nature. Listening in silence and hearing the hum of every nature being in harmony with all nature beings. And feel your harmony with the whole. Humming your natural state of ease again and again. Healing is coherencing. Coherencing. Flowing together here and now in harmony. One song singing. Feel your note, your hum, your purr. That purred you hear. Feel it sing like a note, like a rumbling of creation. To heal is coherencing. Allow your heart to sing your essence song beyond beliefs of the mind. Allowing your heart to sing your essence song beyond beliefs of the mind. Welcome, Tom. Thank you for joining. Please don't eat my book. Thank you, my love. Thank you. Allowing the mind, inviting the mind, guiding the mind with your intention to re-entrain itself to your essence song. So inviting the mind to re-entrain its rhythms. To your essence song. Instead of the mind conducting and entraining the patterns within you. So feel the switch within. How the mind conducts entraining patterns out of rhythm with your essence song. Entraining parts of your beings out of coherence. And invite the mind to relax into and be re-entrained by your essence song again. Allow this essence song that hummed you into existence to reclaim you as a nature being again and again. Allow your essence song to sing you back to your natural, healed wholeness again and again. And feel the power of this purr, this frequency of your essence. And sit with nature here and now, interbreathing with us, and feel yourself resting in restoration. Feel the regenerative superpower of coherence. Oh, thank you, Yoshi. Releasing. Releasing. Sitting with us here and now.
interbreathing with us. And resting. Resting in the restoration, the regenerative superpower of coherence. Singing. Cohering. And now. Cohering. And now. And sing. And talk pierced through the atmosphere with that. Cree! That signature frequency of hawk piercing through the atmosphere. As these transmissions were coming through, and here's what flowed in response. Hawk, I hear you. Your very piercing song resurrects my essence song within. And I feel you hearing my essence song. My essence song's restoration coursing through my veins. Tributaries of the one heart returning to coherency. And in this breath, healing. Healing knows where to go. Coherence flows where it needs to flow. And your call invites me to breathe into the blocks that may obstruct the natural flow, purring into them like a cat purring into pain, purring into despair, purring into fear, purring my essence hum back to life as the blocks dissolve like shadows in the sun. And the songbirds, you sing of the symphony of all hearts, joy, a joy that is our divine inheritance of beingness. I am here, hear my song. I hear now where in my being I have separated myself out from myself. And make all these parts sing like songbirds of the one heart within me. May I purr into all incoherence, vibrating all home to perfect love. talk. That frequency that only hawk can sing, piercing through the atmosphere. We hear you. Your very piercing song resurrects our inner essence song, and we feel you hearing our essence songs. Restoration coursing through our veins. Tributaries of the one heart return to the coherency of all of nature. And in this breath, healing knows where to go. Coherence knows where to flow. And we breathe into the blocks that may obstruct this natural flow, purring into them like cat purrs into pain, purring into fear, purring into despair, purring our essence hum back to life as the blocks dissolve like shadows in the sun. And songbirds, you sing of the symphony of all hearts' joy. This joy is our divine inheritance of beingness. We are here. Hear our song. We can now feel where we have separated ourselves from ourselves. May all these parts sing like songbirds of the one heart within. Again. May we purr into all the incoherence, purring all back home to perfect love. So let's bask